let's look at this one. A 4-digit number is formed using the digit 1, 2, and 3. So you're using the digit 1, digit 2, and digit 3, such that both 2 and 3 appears in the list at least once. Okay, so whatever numbers you are going to make, which will be the 4-digit numbers, 2 and 3 have to appear at least once. So two of the digits are for sure there, which is 2 and 3. The other digit can be there, which is the digit 1. It can be any number of times, provided 2 and 3 appears at least once. The number of all such 4-digit numbers are, how many all such 4-digit numbers are possible. So let me take 1 time 2, let me take 1 time 3, and let me take 2 times 1. This will give me a 4-digit number. Possible. This is a valid solution for us. 1, 1, 2, 3 kind of numbers. Similarly, I can take one number for the 1 time the digit 1, and 2 times the digit 2, and 1 time the digit 3. That is a possibility. Then post this 1 time the digit 1, 1 time the digit 2, and 2 times the digit 3. Now all of these kind of numbers. So let me have a look at the first one. It is saying 1, 1, 2, and 3. How many numbers will be possible? 4 factorial by 2 factorial, because 1 is getting repeated 2 times. So that's going to be 12 numbers. So I'm going to get 12 numbers over here. Similarly, 12 numbers will be over here. Why? Because you will have 1, 2, 2, and 3. So these 4 digits, how many 4-digit numbers can be made? 12 4-digit numbers can be made, and 12 4-digit numbers will be possible over here as well, right? Now, post this, what you can look at is, you can look at 2 times the digit 2, 2 times the digit 3, and 0 times the digit 1. That is also a possibility. So there, what will you have? 2, 2, 3, 3. This can be done in 4 factorial by a 2 factorial by a 2 factorial again, right? Which is going to be what? 24 divided by 4, which is going to be what? 6. So you will have 6 numbers over here, right? Now, there is another possibility that you take 3 times the digit 3, 1 time the digit 2, and 0 times the digit 1. This means what kind of numbers you are looking at? You are looking at the numbers 3, 3, 3, 2. How many such numbers are possible? 4 factorial by a 3 factorial. So how many numbers are possible? 4 numbers are possible over here. Now, another possibility is 0, 3, and 1. That will also give you 4 numbers, right? Now, beyond this, I don't see any other possibility. So if you add all of this, this is going to be 36 plus 6 is going to be 42, and 42 plus 8, 4 and 4 is turning out to be 8 over here, right? So, and you have a 6 over here. Total turns out to be equals to what? 50. There is no other set of numbers possible, and hence the answer for this particular question is 50.